Hello viewers, in this video I am going to show you how to change password on Facebook. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you do not make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started. First of all, you open on Facebook app and tap on three dot icon and scroll down, tap on setting and privacy. Next, tap on setting. Already you can see that meta account center, tools and resource, and tap on see more in account center. Go down, you can see that password and security. Tap on password and security. Next, tap on change password. You can see that Facebook and Instagram. Tap on Facebook. You can see that current password, new password, retype new password. And tap on change password button. And you check your WhatsApp code 632348 and tap on continue. Already your Facebook password is changed.